Hi, my name is Tony, and I want to introduce you to the Forte. The Forte is our newest bike. It's our heavy-duty bike with a 300-pound load limit. The Forte was a concept and design that we came up with for riders that wanted to carry a heavier load, plus-size riders, or riders that really wanted a combination of utility and comfort. And in this short video, I'll go over some of the features and benefits of the new Forte. Starting off with the colors, there's two colors. There's the forest green and the coral color. And I just want to point out that these color choices were picked by you guys. We asked our customers and put out a survey and asked what colors you guys wanted to see in our next line of bike. And these were the top two suggestions. So thank you guys very much for contributing to the development of this awesome bike. Let's go over some of the features and benefits here. So starting on the top of the bike, we've got ergonomic grips. They're wide. They're not your traditional tube type of grips. They have a wide surface here to support your hands, to prevent your hands from getting numb. We also have a wider comfort saddle. This saddle is about 30% wider and twice as thick as a stock saddle on other bikes. So it's going to make riding a lot more comfortable. Some of the features that make this bike awesome at carrying heavier loads is we use a slightly thicker tubing, and we've welded gussets on here to help support and reinforce the frame, making it stronger. Some of the things that make this bike a great utilitarian bike is that it comes stock with a rear rack and also comes with fenders. The rear rack does not come with a strap, but you can easily use your own bungee cord, which is what we've done here, or you can use you can purchase a separate bungee cord from our site, which is specifically designed to work with our rear racks. Some of the questions that we were asked is, how does the bike ride? The bike rides like any other bike. The fact that it's a heavier duty bike doesn't change its riding characteristics. It's got 7 speeds to allow you to get up and down those hills easily. It's got all-terrain tires, so it's great for riding on the street, but it's also great for riding on trails. Some of the other things that we've included with the bike, it comes with folding pedals. Also, one question that was asked was, how does the bike fold? Because it comes stock with fenders, because it comes stock with a rack, because it has a wider saddle, does it fold as easily or as small as your other bikes? And to answer your question, yes. The addition of a rack, the addition of the fenders, the addition of the wider saddle do not affect the folding at all. It still folds just as small. It's still just as light as many of our other bikes. So it's easy to transport, easy to carry, easy to put in your car, or easy to store. Again, this is the Forte. It's our brand new bike released at the end of 2018. And if you have any questions, you can call us at 1-800-346-6360, or you can email us at info@euromini.bike. Again, my name is Tony, and thank you for watching this video.